Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to the ROPENGA YouTube channel. Today we are going to create amazing birthday congratulation cake for AI beam image creator. So use any browser of your site. Right, type in beam image creator on your search bar and click on the first link. Please. So because I've already signed in, that is why my own appear this way. So if you are a first timer, you try to sign in with your email account. So continue here. So we are here. Now with our prompt. How are you going to write our prompt? So you put your prompt here on the surprise me. So I've already written my prompt, and this prompt will be in the description, video description, this video description. If you check under this video description, you see the prompt, and you also edit it and use it. So this is my prompt. So let's read the prompt. A cartoon is sitting on a red cake, and laptop and mobile phone. Cake candles are waiting. This YouTube. Choose the name NWASI AYUBA. Create a unique birthday cake with YouTube account. My cake name on it. So you can use any channel. If you wish, you can use Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. So that is how it is. So you click on create. Click on create, that is. Wait for some time. It's trying to generate the images for you. So here, the cake that you see, if this one generates successfully, so we'll be left with 7. So these are the images created for my birthday. Thank God today is my birthday. Why sometimes the AI will not give you the right name. So the name, the AI will not give you the right name. So all this, the name that I want, it wasn't there. All of them, the name that I want, it wasn't there. So you can decide to download or recreate it. That is, recreate it. And wait for some time. Recreate it and wait. This is for birthday cake. If you want your name or your channel name to be in your birthday, this is what you do. So the AI has provided us with it, and this one still we are not happy with it. So we are going to take different dimension. This one too, we are not happy with it. But this one is okay. I will download this one. The name is there. Happy birthday. So thank God today is my birthday. Thank you all those watching. So let's see another part. How to do a congratulation message. Congratulation. If you have achieved something and you want to use if you have achieved something and you want to use this AI to design it for you, this is what you do. So this is a congratulation message. Congratulations on 1.71 million subscribers. It look like YouTube and name ROPENGA VFX on that 3D realistic shining glass. So let's surprise me. Click to see the images that do. This prompt will be in the video description below. So just check in the video description, you'll get the prompt and you use it and put the design name and how you want it to be on it. So this is what they have done for me. ROPENGA VFX 1.1. So this is how it is. If you're happy with it, you download it. If you're not happy with it, you leave it. This is it. Congratulations. This is it. So if you're happy, you download it. If you're not happy, you leave it and redo it. But redo it to do it for you. I will put here congratulations and happy birthday. And happy birthday. So let's create and see. So as we are doing, you see that the points are dropping. As first we are having 8, now it is 5. As we are doing, the points are dropping. So you have at least 15 chance to create. So this is what they have done again. So all what they are doing, you are using data. So this is it. Happy birthday. Correct. Thank you. Wow, this one is okay for me. Happy birthday. So this is one to listen. So you look through what is good for you, you download it, and what you think it is not good for you, you leave it. So this is how it is. So you can use WhatsApp or any can, but I'm going to use different prompt again. This prompt 2 is amazing. This prompt 2 is amazing. Let me change the name here. So you can change the name and put any name of your choice. Any name of your choice. Yeah, I'm going to use this name. A beautiful girl has made a heart on the sand by the sea, and inside this heart is written my name, my name, my name, Mercy. And beside it is a beautiful flower. So, and a happy birthday, and a happy birthday cake. So I'm going to click on the prompt to generate the images for us. So just wait for a minute, it will be done. So I'm giving you about 3 prompts. They will all be at this video description. So take note. If you cannot write your own, you yes, that's amazing. That is it. So it is happy birthday, and what I asked for is a beautiful girl. So this one is not what I'm looking. This one too is not what I'm looking, and this is what I'm looking. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And try to wish me happy birthday on the comment section. Try to wish me happy birthday on the comment section. I'll be glad to see your messages and pray for me. And I'm also praying for you that you all live in good health. Let's wait for another images. Let's see images. This software that we're using Beam Image Creator. Beam Image Creator. So they have created images for us. So we look through if it is what you are looking for, you download it. You look through if it is what you are looking for, you download them. All of them is not my favorite. All of them is not my favorite. All of them is not my favorite. So let me see if I have another prompt. I will just do it for you if I have another prompt. So let's do this one. Let's do this one. I'm going to do WhatsApp logo if you will. If you want WhatsApp logo and the name ROPENGA. Many people are asking about the meaning of this name. One day I will reveal it to you, of course. So you look well and do it. This one is the WhatsApp is green, green. Yes. So you edit it well. Happy birthday. Red color with wait, wait, and you see the rush. Wait and you see the rush. Wait and you see the rush. We are generating a WhatsApp logo with the name ROPENGA as this is what they have done for us. So you look through if this is what you are looking for. If this is what you are looking for. Wow. If this is what you are looking for, you save it. If this is what you are looking for, you save it. So thank you for watching the video. You can also edit them and put your own. Edit them and put your own. Edit them and put your own name. So let me try the last one. I've ended up using all my points for the day. I've ended up using all my points for the day. So at least if I find them, I have to wait for the next day. Green. So we click create. Wait. This one too will be different from the first one. Thank you for watching. It is amazing to have you all watching. Let me see at the comment section. Let me see at the comment section about your view on this. You see now it is amazing. Let me see at the comment section. Let me see at the comment section about what do you think about this. Thank you for watching. We'll end the video here. All the prompts will be at this video description. Thank you.